Good morning, friends. Welcome to Akul Mac Live, and my name is Chandrakant. Weather is not so severe today. I think this is going to be the situation for next 1 week, and the cold wave is seemingly over for some time. And so, let us discuss what is in store for us on a Wednesday morning. It's a bright, sunny morning here in Delhi. One of the things that the Jack Dorsey now says is that the Bitcoin will replace the currency. So let us discuss this more in detail now. I personally believe that Bitcoin is the way forward, and also with regulation, because in nutshell, all our currency today that we use is all digital. Even if we have the satisfaction of keeping the currency in our hand, but in true sense it's a digital currency. So I think Bitcoin is a way forward. I personally believe that right now we have different currencies for different countries, and there are consortiums like Euro, which is comprising of multiple countries, and they have come out with one currency. Similarly, there has to be single currency for the entire world. And I think when we actually get and colonize Mars, then definitely Bitcoin will play a major role, because there will be one currency for Mars and another currency for Earth. This is my general feeling. But I think right now we cannot implement Bitcoin in a very big way, because our economy has been established over past 300, 400 years, the modern economy, and it runs on banks and other things. So I think it has to be gradually done, but I think you cannot escape from having Bitcoin being introduced to us. I'm thinking in next 5 to 10 years, it will become a reality where everything will move into digital world. There will be no cash transactions, and then Bitcoin can very easily replace the usual currencies that we use. Well, I think there is some news about Blackstone Group. Well, Blackstone is a major investor, as we all know, from the US, and they have major investments in India. All the major organizations have some sort of funding from Blackstone. However, I've also heard a couple of weeks back that they are kind of reducing their footprint in India by 2% and increasing that in China. So I think this is something which is going on. And I think the good news is that now the Indian rupee has become stronger today by 11 paisa. So this is a great news, because right now the Indian rupee stands at 75 rupees conversion rate against US dollars. So I think this is a pretty good news. We should feel happy about it. So let's also check what is instant important news for us to analyze. And I think we have to be very careful, because Omicron is spreading. It's really spreading very rapidly in the West, especially in UK. There is news about spread of Omicron from UK and also from US. As I present this program, the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, is having a high-level meeting and assessing the situation that is prevailing right now because of Omicron outbreak, which is expected to start in month of January in India. So I think we should maintain social distance, wear mask, wash our hands periodically, and maintain all those good habits that we have been prescribed. Today is National Mathematics Day, and it's the birth anniversary of our great mathematician Ramanujan. he gave a lot of theories, mathematical theories, and he has made a name. But unfortunately, at that point in time, his work was not recognized as much as other mathematicians in other different countries, because India was colonized by British. So Ramanujam name was not really publicized in a big way. I think he is a deserving candidate to be recognized globally and also get some sort of recognition in terms of Nobel Award, which his contemporary of the time have got it. So, friends, I think in brief, this is all I wanted to give my feedback on. Couple of things important are happening. One is Omicron. Other thing is Blackstone reducing their footprint in India, and also today's National Mathematics Day. So, write in your comments, and I will respond to each one of your comment. I will see you tomorrow, and I eagerly wait for your participation. See you tomorrow, friends. Bye bye.